just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for us? I wanna be together, be together. Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. Are you down for love? Are you up for us? I wanna be together, I wanna be together. Babe, I want your love, your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters to me.
So it's Saturday night, and this is how we're going to get it started with a little bit of Long Island tea. And you saw me whip it up, so now I'm going to head outside and see what hubby's up to. So y'all can come on with me. You want to? Okay, let's go. Hey, Mikey.
Hey.
Move, animals. Ah!
You want this over there? Or you just... What up?
There he is. Yeah. We outside, y'all. We outside. But, he way over there. Anyway, my light flashing. See, it's flashing. It's about to die. She need life support.
Mouth to mouth.
Honey. Anyway, y'all, see you in a sec. There's my little protector. She waiting on y'all. So don't mess with Angel. No, don't mess with her. I got her back.
I got your back.
The real protector.
Don't worry about a thing. I got your back. Get on the plane.
Really?
I got your back. Hey, y'all, do y'all know that I can sing? I can sing very well tenor. Tenor singer. 10 or 12 miles away from here. That's not funny. Little big toughy.
Oh, well, it's not gonna last. It's not gonna last anyway.
Let me try on this thing come out here. You know that you got a star. Anything. These mosquitoes are pretty tough after the rain here in Memphis. And they just fly around. When I was a kid, the mosquito used to make a noise. They get around you and say, you know, when you try to find the killer. But these mosquitoes today have gotten smart. They make no sound. When you look down, they own you. Little old Chuck. Little grandbaby. Yep. They make no sound. They just get down on you. I got one. I mean, I happened to just look down before I put the lotion on it. He was sitting right there. But he was burying and look. You want me to zap him?
The zapper, we got it out here.
I'm just gonna look down. When I'm looking at my eye, I look too big.
You don't have to look up. Look right there.
Look at it. See how big my eye.
Lord.